Hello guys, this is our warehouse is under construction. So you can see this structure is just like our uh, multi-span greenhouse structure based on that. And you can see that, which is, so we have the base with concrete and the steel. So just based on the ground and just like that pointer, this is the point 1, 2, 3, just like that. So, you're building a house or like building the greenhouse, the structure of the base, the same logic. So, well, we are installing the internal greenhouse just to, direct down to the soil, down to the soil for the arch rod. So that's kind of a concrete and steel base for multi-span greenhouse, just like the house structures, the warehouse structures here. All right. So I think what I learned here and what we are using for the regular warehouse construction will be the same, exactly the same.